Top 5 Best Adjustable Wrenches. Here are the list of number 5. Stanley 87 471 10-inch. A very common problem that people face when working with the wrench is that their grip on the handle loosens because of excessive sweating on the palm. This causes much trouble in working efficiently with the tool. Here are the list of number 4. Olympia 2Low 1015 15-inch. Heavy duty and made of alloy stainless steel, the chrome-plated tool is 15 inches in size. The chrome plating makes it completely erosion-free and resistant for a long time period. Steady and solid in its function. Here are the list of number 3. Craftsman Evolve 3 PC. Adjustable wrenches and sets have been very popular in 2017 because it cuts down the cost of the product while you are able to get a variety of wrenches in varying sizes. The Craftsman Evolve 3-piece adjustable wrench set has been a hot favorite of people in the recent years. Here are the list of number 2. Irwin Vice Grip. Complete with the Pro Touch Grip and solid steel adjustable locks, the Irwin Vice Grip adjustable wrench come in a set of 4 pieces. The available sizes included in one set are from 6 inches to 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches respectively. Here are the list of number 1. Stanley 9949 10-inch. Stanley has always been a favorite for people as far as its supreme quality and long life is concerned. The Stanley 949 10-inch max steel is hands down the most attractive looking adjustable wrench you can find out there. Check the description below for details and prices. If you like this video, please like, comments and share it. Thanks for watching. Top 5 Best Adjustable Wrenches. Here are the list of number 5. Stanley 87 471 10-inch.